What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over Matic as well as Ethereum. Currently sitting at 0.7945, up 0.6 on the day. Seeing market cap 7.67 billion, 24-hour volume 331 million. So we're seeing a little bit of reaction. I wouldn't get too excited unless we can come up and break this high at 0.81. Because what we're looking at is to come down in the wave 2. We've already entered the target zone. So, of course, if Bitcoin's going to bounce off the minimum target, I think it's just at the 38.2 right now, then we can see continuation up to the upside because we've already done everything we need to for this pullback. But we can come down and create one more lower low. We'll just drop in this bullish level quickly. If we do start to break above 0.81, then I would flip bullish and look towards us continuing to the upside in the big juicy wave 3. But as of right now, we could be going A, B, and then one more lower low in a C. Unless we can come up and break that bullish level about 0.81, then I would consider that we're just going to see a straight breakout back to the upside. So that's what we're looking at for Matic. Right now, we're retesting the daily EMAs. We broke back above them. So if we get back above them, we broke back below them. If we get back above them, that would be a bullish signal. We were looking to put in an inverse head and shoulders, which we have done. So there is a possibility if we can break that bullish level of continuing to push up from here. But if we fail to do so, we just have 3 waves off this low right now. We start to roll over. Then we could expect one more lower low for the price of Matic. Looking at Ethereum, I would watch this downsloping trend line. That's currently where we've seen a rejection with a 3-wave move. So if we fail to break that, then I would expect one more lower low for Ethereum as well before bouncing. But if we can break that trend line and we start to push up, we create a 5-wave move, then we could look at a scenario of a straight breakout back to the upside as we've already entered our target bounce zone. That's what I'm looking at here for ETH. We're underneath the EMAs as well, so crucial to get back above them for the bullish case. The bearish divergence has not fully played out. We did break below the 50 line, so if we were to create that lower low, it may allow that divergence to play out before bouncing back to the upside. We'll have to see how that plays out. So that's what I'm looking at for Matic. Key level to watch is 81 cents for a bullish breakout. If we fail to do so and we just have a 3-wave move up, we get rejected, we roll over, then just expect one more lower low before bouncing back to the upside. We're currently in multiple crypto trades. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. Email me after you make your first deposit. Completely free access to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups, crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis, trade crypto, trade Forex. All in one place, completely for free with a sign up and deposit to Bitfinex. Otherwise, it's $10 a month, over 2,600 members in the Discord. All links down below. Smash up that like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.